You're officially a part of the Marva family. We are so excited to begin work on your upcoming home improvement projects. Now that you have your date secured, here are a few things we recommend you do to prepare in the days leading up to your installation. Number 1, remove any valuable items you have from the immediate perimeter of your home, from both the roof and the ground. Number 2, clear your driveway to make room for the dump trailer and your material delivery. Number 3, make arrangements to bring your pets indoors. Number 4, contact your provider to schedule a reinstallment of any operating satellite dish. Number 5, if you currently have solar panels, be sure you contact your rep to schedule around their temporary removal. With your help, we can make this experience as seamless as possible. On the day of installation, our team will arrive at your home and will begin tearing off the existing roof material. During this process and all throughout the installation, you should consider your home a construction site. We do not recommend coming in and out of the home frequently, as there will be debris falling from the roof. But rest assured, we utilize a system that helps protect both your home and your landscaping. With the help of the catch-all system, we are able to collect debris in a more effective way. The nets allow us to protect your home's walls from scuffs and scrapes, and it allows us to dispose of debris more efficiently. Once the tear-off is complete, our team will begin the new roof installation, along with any carpentry or additional services within the scope of work. One of our most frequently asked questions is, how long does a roof installation take? Well, that all depends on the design of your roof and the roofing system you've selected. A shingles installation can take anywhere between 1 to 3 days, while on the other hand, metal may take anywhere between 7 to 21 days. This is due to the manual fabrication of the panels themselves, which is done on site. Once our team has done a thorough cleanup of the work site, our roofing foreman and production manager will complete a 20-point inspection on the roofing installation and the property. This is to ensure all details are complete and all services have been rendered. And don't worry, if your install takes more than 1 day, we will always ensure that your home is cleaned by the end of the workday. Once the final inspection is complete, you will receive a final invoice, and if you would like to take a closer look at your roof, we will provide a link to your project's album. We thank you in advance for your generous hospitality and for choosing to work with Marva Roofing. It's been a pleasure thus far, and we're excited to earn your 5-star review. We'll see you soon.